Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Nazneen and I am the founder of Nazneen Education Valley. Welcome to the interview. The section will talk about artificial intelligence. Its real world application, career opportunities and how beginner can start with AI. Our guest today is AI contributor with valuable knowledge and experience. Thank you for joining. We are excited to learn from your insight and experience. Please introduce yourself and tell us about your background.
माय नेम इज़ नशा कैनवा वाली। मैं रेहान स्कूल टीचिंग करंगी कैंपस से हूँ।
ओके निशा मैं आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस करूंगी एआई के बारे में। क्या आप उसके बारे में मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगी?
जी बिल्कुल दूंगी।
तो मेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपसे आपसे कि व्हाट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस?
Artificial intelligence (AI) is the technology that enables computers and machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and discussion making.
Okay, my second question, what does AI stand for?
AI stands for Artificial Intelligence.
Good. What is machine learning?
Machine learning is a branch of AI that allows computers to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed.
What is deep learning?
Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to solve complex problems.
What is generative AI?
Generative AI is a type of AI that can create new content such as text, images, videos, music, and code.
What is ChatGPT?
ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It can answer questions, generate content, and assist with various tasks.
What is a prompt?
A prompt is a instruction or question given to an AI model to generate a response.
Why is prompt engineering important?
Prompt engineering helps users get more actual, relevant, and useful responses from AI.
What are the benefits of AI?
AI improves efficiency, save time, reduce errors, automates tasks, and support better discussion making.
Where is AI used?
AI can make mistakes. AI is used in healthcare, education, banking, e-commerce, marketing, customer service, and transportation.
Okay, good answer. What is natural language processing NLP?
NLP is a field of AI that enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language.
Good. What is the difference between AI and machine language learning?
AI is the broader concept of creating intelligent machines, while machines learning is a subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data.
Can AI replace humans?
AI can automate many tasks, but it cannot fully replace human creativity, emotions, and critical thinking.
What are AI ethics?
AI ethics are principles that ensure AI is used responsibly, fairly, safely, and without bias.
Name some popular AI tools.
ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, Microsoft, Ceplot, Cloud, Midjourney, and Delhi.
What skills are need to work with AI?
Basic computer skills, problem solving, communication, prompt writing, and continuous learning.
How can AI help business?
AI helps business automatic tasks, improve customer service, analyze data, and increase productivity.
Good. Why do you want to learn AI?
I want to learn AI to improve my skills, increase productivity, solve problems effectively, and create better career opportunities.
Why should we hire you for an AI related role?
I am eager to learn, adapt quickly to new technologies, and I am passionate about using AI to solve real world problems and improve business performance.
ओके नशरा, आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा। एआई के बारे में जानकर आपसे बहुत खुशी हुई कि आप इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन रखती हैं। इसके साथ ही हम आपसे जो है एक एडवाइस चाहेंगे कि एआई के लिए आप बच्चों को क्या एडवाइस देंगी?
एआई के बच्चों के लिए यही देना चाहूँगी कि हम जो नहीं सीख सकते वो हमें एआई बता सकता है। एआई हमें बता सकता है कि क्या सही है और क्या गलत है। वो एआई हमें सब कुछ करके देगा।
तो इसके साथ आपसे क्लोजअप करते हैं। नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू में मिलते हैं। अल्लाह हाफिज़, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा।
अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।
सो व्यूवर्स, ये हमने नाशा का जो है इंटरव्यू लिया, जिसमें उन्होंने हमें एआई के बारे में बताया और जो है एआई की हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन दी। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको एआई के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा जानकारी हासिल हुई होगी और इसके साथ ही आपकी लाइफ में जो है एआई के बारे में इन्फॉर्मेशन जो मिली है उससे आप हेल्प ले सकते हैं। इसके साथ ही हम अपनी गेस्ट को अल्लाह हाफिज़ कहते हैं और आपसे भी हम इजाज़त चाहते हैं। नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू में मिलते हैं। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।